Hey there everyone. Today we're diving deep into history, tackling some of the most deadly pandemics that have ever swept our planet. Don't worry, we're not here to scare you. Instead, we're going to uncover the lessons we've learned from these grim chapters in history. So buckle up, it's about to get historically interesting. First up, the 14th century, the era of the bubonic plague, also known as the Black Death. This bad boy wiped out about half of Europe's population. Yikes! But why was it so deadly? Well, back then, people lived in cramped conditions, perfect for the bacteria-ridden fleas on rats to spread the disease. Here's lesson number 1. Hygiene and living conditions matter. Today, better sanitation and pest control have made us less susceptible to such outbreaks. So remember, cleanliness isn't just about smelling nice, it can save lives. Fast forward to the 20th century. The Spanish flu made its deadly debut. In just 2 years, it infected about a third of the world's population and caused millions of deaths. Lesson number 2. The power of public health measures. Back then, people also wore masks, isolated the sick, and limited public gatherings, much like we've seen recently. Yes, it's a bummer not being able to hang out with friends, but these steps can slow down a virus and save lives. Moving on to a more recent and ongoing pandemic, HIV/AIDS. Since the 1980s, it has claimed over 32 million lives globally. Unlike the previous diseases, this one is caused by a virus that attacks the immune system, making people more susceptible to other infections. And here comes lesson number 3. Awareness and education are crucial. HIV/AIDS spread rapidly due to a lack of understanding and stigma. Today, with better awareness, people know how to protect themselves and the importance of getting tested. And we can't forget the pandemic we're all too familiar with, COVID-19. It's been a tough ride, and it's not over yet, but we've learned so much. Lesson number 4. Science and global cooperation are key. In record time, scientists developed effective vaccines, and countries worked together to distribute them. That's something to celebrate. So, there you have it, a quick journey through history's deadliest pandemics. It's not the cheeriest of topics, but it's important to understand. From hygiene and public health measures to awareness, education, and global cooperation, every pandemic has taught us valuable lessons. In the face of global threats like these, remember, we're all in this together, and the more we learn from our past, the better prepared we'll be for the future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more interesting historical insights.